Amazon is at it again with the all-new stunning Echo Show 15, impressive for your walls. This smart device comes for $249.99, and it's the perfect device for the family. Should you really get the Amazon Echo Show 15? Watch today's video to find out if you should. The tech innovative company never ceases to astound its customers with its flawless creations. This time, Amazon incorporated sustainability into the design of this Alexa-enabled device. The Echo Show 15, to replace the stone-age sticky notes, bulletin boards, and paper calendars. That's not all. Wait to be blown away. There's a lot more to come with the Echo Show 15, Amazon's latest release. Over the years, the Echo Show has evolved into a full HD 15.6-inch smart display, just the right size that can be stacked against a wall or put on a compatible stand in any orientation, either landscape or portrait. Once more, the Amazon Echo Show 15 stands out as a family device that reimagines the way your family holds up with entertainment in a personalized creative display that helps everyone stay on track. Perhaps leave a sticky note, an update on shopping, and a to-do list behind, so that everyone in the family gets a fair share of the household chores with this new sustainable Amazon device. There is more to discover, especially with Echo Show 15's irresistible performance, but we promise to cover it every step of the way so you have a fair idea of the device you're buying. Why should you really desire to get the Amazon Echo Show 15? If you are eager to find out why you should get the Echo Show 15, here's some good news. The Echo Show comes as a solid piece of hardware, very easy to cast on walls. Released in December 2021. The Echo Show additionally has a bright screen with a picture-in-picture functionality that makes for a perfect HD streaming with a personalized experience. Keep up with current events in the news, stay glued to your favorite TV shows, movies, and enjoy a piece of awesome music, radio, podcast, and audiobook experience to pass the time. Have fun showcasing your locked-up memories, personal lifestyle, or family fun times with the photo frame feature the Echo Show 15 presents. Enjoy each moment and capture those memories to display. Furthermore, if you are concerned about your privacy, the Echo Show 15 has an irresistible performance. The device is built with multiple layers of privacy protection, including a shutter to cover the camera, and the ability to mute the microphone whenever you want. Moreover, it also provides you with the transparency you need, and you can have control over your Alexa experience. Isn't this terrific? All thanks to Amazon. While Amazon promises you more new life-changing devices, we, on the other hand, promise you more exciting videos and updates on whatever new tech invention. Therefore, if you want to keep up with the recent trends in technology or know the newest device, kindly subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on, so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads, and like today's video for more exclusive technology content. Fast forward to today. The $249.99 Amazon Echo Show 15 allows you to discover a new range of fresh meal options from nearby cafeterias. Just ask Alexa, "Alexa, what should I eat?" And those meal options are then displayed for you to choose from with ease. What's more, each family member can create profiles that use visual IDs and voice IDs to be easily recognized by the Alexa smart device. Therefore, all you've got to do is speak or show your face to the screen. Incredibly, Alexa can tell who's who and give the correct information to the exact person. What more could you want? The Amazon Echo Show 15 isn't all glitz and glam. There are two sides to every coin, so let's look at the other side. In comparison to gadgets of its price, the Echo Show has the poorest camera quality as well as sound. Similarly, the Echo Show has limited customizability and visual ID inconsistencies. Nevertheless, despite these drawbacks, the Alexa-enabled Echo Show 15 is one of the best Echo devices ever. It comes with a much bigger display screen, a simple setup, an interactive photo frame, and the option to stack it against the wall or display it on a compatible stand. The Echo Show 15 has a very appealing design. It feels less gimmicky than any previous Echo Show, with a similar screen and interfaces in a much more appealing and delicate manner. Think of the newly added features, like the widgets, which allow you to customize your space uniquely. Echo Show 15 is by far the largest Echo Show, yet that makes it simple for you to get Alexa's functions onto your wall. Isn't that awesome? Are you now willing to grab the new Echo Show 15? Please share with us in the comments section below. I hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. Stick around to watch our video on Oculus Quest 5 things you must try in 2022. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next